What's something people don't know about Congo Brazzaville? It's a treasure trove of adventure and beauty waiting to be explored. Nestled in Central Africa, Congo Brazzaville is a paradise for travel enthusiasts. Picture this: lush rainforests, breathtaking waterfalls, and vibrant cities bursting with culture. Start your journey in Brazzaville, the lively capital. Marvel at the stunning Basilique Sainte-Anne, its green-tiled roof shining like an emerald in the sun. Feeling adventurous? Head to the Congo River. Whether it's a boat ride or fishing, the river offers endless excitement. Next, let's trek through Odzala-Kokua National Park. Home to gorillas, elephants, and unique bird species, it's a wildlife enthusiast stream. Remember to bring your camera, and don't miss the local markets. Taste fresh tropical fruits, try delicious local dishes, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Friendly locals and colorful crafts await you. Congo Brazzaville isn't just a destination, it's an experience. So pack your bags and get ready to uncover the hidden gems of this African treasure. Adventure awaits.